Welcome to our channel. If you want to reduce your monthly expenses and save more money, follow these step-by-step instructions to cut costs effectively. Step 1. Track all spending for 1 month using apps like Mint or YNAB to identify exactly where your money goes each month. Step 2. Categorize expenses into needs, housing, utilities, food, and wants, entertainment, dining out, subscriptions, to identify areas with cutting potential. Step 3. Review all subscription services including streaming platforms, gym memberships, software subscriptions, and cancel unused or underutilized services. Step 4. Negotiate bills like internet, phone, and insurance by calling providers and asking about promotions, discounts, or competitive rates. Step 5. Reduce grocery spending by meal planning, using shopping lists, buying generic brands, and cooking at home instead of ordering takeout regularly. Step 6. Lower transportation costs by carpooling, using public transit, combining errands into single trips, or refinancing your auto loan for better rates. Step 7. Cut energy expenses by adjusting thermostat settings, using LED bulbs, unplugging devices when not in use, and fixing air leaks around doors and windows. Step 8. Implement one spending reduction strategy at a time, monitor savings monthly, and redirect the money saved toward debt payments or savings goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.